An essential weekend of live house music. 2 nights, unmissable artists, and you. The Defected in the House All-Star Live Band and DJs, starring Candy Staton.
Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you.
Steve Edwards.
1, hold on, 2, 3, now.
Barbara Tucker. Julie McKnight. And the Shapeshifters. Copyright Simon Dummore and Shovel on percussion. It's an absolutely unmissable lineup, and to see the live band, you must be in the possession of an advance ticket. You can enter our competition on defected.com for access all areas, VIP, all the way. The doors open at 10 PM, make sure you get down there early to avoid disappointment.